Next one, do the Rubik's Cube, everyone. Watch, check it out. Okay, tell me when you're ready, then I'll start the time on our pampered chef. Crap, I ever said. Yeah, cool beat. What the? Nick, don't be such a head.
Ready?
No, yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Then tell me when you're ready.
Nope.
And it starts. You obviously can't see because I have a shitty $20 webcam. Now let Nick do his magic. Don't stare at him. He's very nervous.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna make a sandwich. You fat.
No, I'm not in the mood. You're doing wonderful. How does it feel?
It feels nerve-wracking that you're right behind me.
Okay. I'm quite sorry. Any shoutouts you want to make? Or not? Okay.
Ready to stop the timer, by the way.
He's about to finish it. Because he's freaking amazing.
Why can't you do that like 8 times?
What? Called you freaking.
Gotta get the timer! I'm done!
2 minutes and 8 seconds!
Bitchin'!
Woo! Don't hit my fucking webcam.